In no way am I a professional. All the tips that I have been given have been told to me by my friends in the hairdressing industry, my hairdresser and Google. This is just a simple follow me kind of video, if you can call it that. Thank you. Hello YouTube. First of all, I'd like to apologise for my face and my appearance right now. I've had an allergic reaction to some eye cream, so my eyes are like paper. And that means that I've got to let them breathe. This week I'm going to be putting coffee on my hair. I know this is like for people who've got hair loss, but I'm hoping it might make it a bit stronger. I don't know, this is just like a tester, just because I had nothing else to do and I had nothing in the fridge. So I've got some coffee in this and I shall be spraying it on my roots. I'll wet my hair. This is just completely improvised. It's completely improvised. So this is what this bottle's just what my mum uses for the garden. But I'll put my coffee in there and I'll wash it out for later. So yeah, that makes no sense. Get out of the shower when I've washed it, rinsed it. Oh my god. So I can't see anything because I've got no glasses on. How do you spray it? I'm gonna do it on the bathroom floor. Go to bed now, so I shall see you in the morning. Is it on? Make sure she doesn't start faffing her about. Oh, Molly, come here, baby. Very good girl. Do you want to be on it as well? Yes, do you want to be on it? Eh? You want to be on it too? Sit. So it's day 2. I videoed the other part of it, Mum, yesterday, and I'm going to measure my hair now. Well, Mum's going to measure it. As Emma said, it's day 2. Oh, stop it! Bleeding measure it, man. Language, you're on film. I don't care. Little baby, easy, good girl. Sit. But it's same measurement as before. Turn round a bit. Get your head straighter, you're cheating, man. Right, what's the date today? 18. Oh, bloody hell, is that how much it's grown? Well, that's 18th today. Yes, it's grown about 1 inch. Has it actually grown that much? Yeah, that's how long it is now. That's well grown. You can see my daughter like screaming. Yes, it has. Molly, oh my god! Molly, what do you think? Right. Good girl, Molly. That is unbelievable. Look at that. That's how much my hair has grown. This is working. This is working. I am an happy bunny. There's your pen.